Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a full night routine. It's like a smell good routine. It's pregnancy safe. It is trying to conceive safe, like TTC mother safe. It is hyperpigmentation safe, and it is also dark spot safe. When it comes to a smell good routine, the most important thing you need to know is to have and know the steps of your smell good routine. You need to layer the steps very well, because if you don't layer it very well, you're not going to be able to layer your scents, your perfumes, your skincare, and you won't even smell as good as you think you are smelling. So today we're going to be doing the full body care routine, and the full body care routine involves the double cleansing method of your like the body double cleansing method and your face double cleansing method. So we've already started with the body double cleansing method. The first product used is the bioderma oil cleansing body wash. This one is going to remove the oily and the junk part of your, like, it's going to remove the gunks on your skin, the oily part of your skin. If you have an oily skin on your body, an oil cleanser is very important and it should be in your routine, because it's going to be the first thing that will clear out every gunks and oils on your skin. Then the second step is to start with your body scrub. Body scrubs are very important, but not every day. Body scrubs are meant to be used just once a week or twice a week. And you all know that over exfoliation is really, really bad. If you exfoliate your skin so much, if you exfoliate your skin every day, your skin is going to start ripping off. Your skin barriers will start being destroyed. And once your skin barrier starts being destroyed, that's when you start getting all these body hyperpigmentations, body dark spots, and go. And the third step should be your main cleanser. I use the Skin by Zaron Vitamin C cleanser. This one is going to help balance the pH of your body. It's going to help brighten your skin. It's going to help lighten dark marks on your skin. And it's also going to help you smell good, because it smells really good. Now we're done with the body. We go over to the face routine. Remember, your body, you've double cleansed your body already. Make sure that your face is also double cleansed. The first oil cleanser I'll be using, the first and only oil cleanser I'll use is the Arden oil cleanser. It helps to cleanse my face, helps to remove the oil on my face, but my skincare, my sunscreen, my makeup, some leftover makeups and go. Then after using the oil cleanser, I have a video where I talked about how to use an oil cleanser. Just go down, you'll see the video. And the second step is your main cleanser. I make use of the CeraVe cleansing, the CeraVe cleanser. That one gets my face very, very clean. And to be very honest, I do 3 cleansing. The third cleanser, I won't be revealing the name of the third cleanser because I'm still trying it out. It has zinc in it. And since I've used 2 cleansers that are very good, that balances the pH of my skin, I need an exfoliating cleanser that will help with my hormonal and fungal acne. But you don't have to use this zinc cleanser every day, because it might rip your skin barrier and cause you to break out even more. One thing I do with my cleansers is I leave it on my face. The last cleanser, you can use an exfoliating cleanser for this because it has zinc. I leave it on my face for like 1 minute. So that time that I used to leave it on my face, I use that time to brush my teeth inside the bathroom. Normally, if I'm not using this cleanser, I won't be brushing my teeth inside the shower. So make sure that you don't keep your brush in the shower, because it can get contaminated and you can get tooth or rather teeth infection. So when I'm done brushing my teeth, I now continue to wash off the vitamin C body wash on my body, then wash up the cleanser, the zinc cleanser on my face. And this is like the finishing touches of my skincare body routine. Now that I'm done with everything, this is the products I use. Very simple, very demure, and it works wonders. So I'm currently fresh out of the shower. You guys know what I used to say about using your body lotion immediately you're out of the shower. But so I'm almost getting dry. So when you're about to get dry, when I'm about to get dry, I make use of more summer water. This is from the La Roche-Posay. It helps lotion penetrate faster. That's if you have. Can you see? It's going to dry you fast, and when it dries you fast, skincare will penetrate faster and work faster. So when I'm done with my body lotion, I have to go in with my body oil. Body oils are essential part of your night routine. So I'm going to be using one from Dr. Teal's. This one is game changer. I'm out to open a new one. Oh, I'm going to show you guys a clip of what my husband will see when I've done with this my night routine, and I bet you that young man will say exact same thing or even better. So I like doing my body routine, body skincare immediately after, so that once I'm done with my body skincare, I'll wash my hand and continue with my facial skincare. You don't want to transfer oil to your face because you're going to break out super madly. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm glowing. So I like keeping my facial routine very simple because I'm already breaking out. It's a pH balancing essence. Remember, wash your hands so that you don't transfer oil to your face. So after I'm done with my pH balancing essence, I go in with my exfoliant. This is the salicylic acid exfoliant. I make sure my face is dry before doing this so I don't break out even more. Salicylic acid is my absolute bestie. So you all can tell that I love it so much. Cut out your neck, please. Okay, let's go over to the room, please. I think it's so this one, I use it to clean my armpit. I no longer use deodorant anymore. But today I ran out of cotton pads, so I made use of my paper towel. When you use to clean your armpits, in the morning when you wake up, you won't even stink. Even if you sweat for 24 hours, you will not stink. It's like a holy grail from the ordinary. They should not change that formula. Well, finally will be this niacinamide moisturizer. This is from Bioderma. Their brand, their products are absolutely good. It doesn't irritate my skin. Like the formulation is so good.